मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उपसभापति जी।
नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार। So now, I think now I'll take up revised Constitution 122nd Amendment Bill 2014. Sri Arun to move that the Constitution 122nd Amendment Bill 2014 as passed by Lok Sabha be referred to Select Committee of the Rajya Sabha. Now, Honorable Finance Minister, please.
Sir, that the bill further to amend the Constitution of India as passed by the Lok Sabha be referred to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha consisting of the following members: Shri Bhupendra Yadav, Dr. Chandan Mitra, Shri Ajay Sancheti, Shri Madhusudan Mistry, Shri Manishankar Iyer, Dr. Balachandra Mungekar, Shri Naresh Agrawal, Shri K.C. Tyagi, Shri Derek O'Brien, Shri A. Navneetha Krishnan, Shri Satish Chandra Mishra, Shri K.N. Balgopal, Shri Dilip Kumar Tirke, Shri C.M. Patel, Shri Praful Patel, Srimati Kanimoy, Shri Anil Desai, Shri Naresh Gujral, Shri Mir Mohammad Fayaz, Shri D. Radha, Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, with instruction to report to the Rajya Sabha on the last day of the first week of the next session.
Okay. Now, motion moved that the bill further to amend the Constitution of India as passed by Lok Sabha be referred to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha consisting of the following members: Sri Bhupendra Yadav, Dr. Chandra Mitra, Sri Ajay Sancheti, Sri Madhusudan Mistry, Sri Manishankar Iyer, Sri Dr. Balachandra Mungekar, Sri Naresh Agarwal, Sri K.C. Tyagi, Sri Derek O'Brien, Sri A. Navneet Krishnan, Sri Satish Chandra Mishra, Sri K.N. Balgopal, Sri Dilip Kumar Tirke, Sri C.M. Damesh, Sri Praful Patel, Srimati Kanimuri, Sri Anil Desai, Sri Naresh Gujral, Sri Muhammad Fayaz, Sri D. Rajya, Sri Chandrasekhar, with instructions to report to the Rajya Sabha by the last day of the first week of the next session. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Now, next, Sri Arun to move the motion for consideration of the Companies Amendment Bill 2014.
We have, as I had said in the beginning, that we have been agitating since Friday last week. Now, I would request that there should be a discussion on the subject. The issue which we have raised.
In the morning, copy here. No, not that, not that.
Either there should be a fresh statement by the minister, or there should be a
morning इसके बारे में मैं बोला था.
Honorable Vice Chairman. Either there should be a fresh statement from any of his cabinet colleagues, but there has to be a discussion on that subject. Just I will come. Maybe you may call it clarification in terms of clarification or whatever you may call, but it has to be not that 2 minutes, 3 minutes, because we wanted it has to be in lieu of the discussion, but in the form of a clarification. But I would request only the time restriction should not be there.
कि अगर इसको जनरल भ्रष्टाचार पे हो जाए, इसका डिस्कशन क्यों खाली गडकरी जी का रहे, अगर इस जनरल भ्रष्टाचार पे इस पर डिस्कशन हो जाए तो शायद वो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, मैं एक जनरल उस पर चर्चा हो जाए तो श्रीमान इसको खाली एक पे न रह के इसको अगर जनरल भ्रष्टाचार पे हो जाए तो ये ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा।
कह रहे हैं
भ्रष्टाचार पे हो रही है।
प्रॉब्लम इज कांग्रेस एंड करप्शन दोनों जोड़ लेते हैं।
भ्रष्टाचार पे होने दो।
करप्शन पे कह रहे हैं, कांग्रेस पे थोड़ी कह रहे हैं चर्चा के लिए।
Why do we go on?
I think no, we don't want to
Please.
1 minute. Point is since a matter has been raised, इसलिए मैं ये बात कहना चाहता हूं कि ये एक विषय है क्योंकि इस सदन में उठाया गया शुक्रवार के दिन, उसका फिर कल भी आज भी सदन में गतिरोध चल रहा है और सीएजी की रिपोर्ट के बाद और आज भी नोटिस हमारा है। मंत्री जी कल आए थे, इन्होंने अपना वक्तव्य दिया, इसलिए जो इस सदन की परंपरा है, सदस्यों का अधिकार है कि अगर संतुष्ट नहीं है अपनी क्लैरिफिकेशन मांगे, मंत्री उसका जवाब दें, ये सदन की परंपरा है। दूसरा जो आपने बताया नरेश जी, बहुत अच्छी बात आपने करी और मैं उससे भी मुत्तफिक हूं क्योंकि ये बात बार बार कही जाती है कि माननीय नेता सदन भी कहते हैं और मित्र भी कहते हैं करप्शन पे चर्चा हो जाए, स्कैम पे हो जाए, अगले सत्र में वो भी हो जाए और खुल के हो। हम बता देंगे पिछले 25 साल का आईना दिखाएंगे, आईना कि आपका
आनंद जी,
कोई गंगा में डुबकी मार के नहीं आए, आप पे सफेद पोस्ट नहीं हो, हम बता देंगे वो भी। इसके लिए भी तैयार है।
Okay, Anand Sharma.
बिल्कुल तैयार है।
Okay,
ये
Mr. Minister.
एक सर,
Yes,
डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर, चर्चा 2014 में हो गया, उसका नतीजा भी निकल गया भ्रष्टाचार के बारे में। दोबारा भ्रष्टाचार के बारे में चर्चा करना चाहते हैं हमारे मित्र नरेश अग्रवाल जी और आनंद जी भी रेडी है, तो आगे जैसा उन्होंने कहा अगला सेशन में जरूर उसके बारे में मैं वही कह रहा हूँ अरे मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, अगला सेशन में समय केवल कल ही है समय, इसलिए अगला सेशन में उसके बारे में भी चर्चा करेंगे। सर, जहां तक ये विषय है, आई ओनली रिक्वेस्ट द कांग्रेस पार्टी फ्रेंड्स हु आर गुड नंबर हियर, लीडर स्पीक्स देन डिप्यूटी लीडर स्पीक्स, ऐसी पद्धति नहीं होना चाहिए। वन लीडर हैज मेड ए पॉइंट, द गवर्नमेंट इज रेडी, माय पॉइंट इज द matter was raised, the chair has allowed the minister to make a statement, it was not heard properly. Now the leader of the opposition is saying that let the statement be made again. If the chair gives permission, we have no problem. But the practice has been once the minister makes a statement, this is a personal clarification because his name has been taken. There is no corruption involved in this at all. There is no allegation. There is question of some sort of a what you call this thing settlement. So he will, because his name is taken, he is duty bound to respond. He will respond. If still as any honorable member has got any doubt in their mind, definitely he will clarify it also. I only appeal to the entire house, let us proceed with the business. Do this, then proceed with the business. We have the company bill, we have 2-3 other whistleblowers bill and corruption, anti-corruption bill also is there. Let us discuss them also and then move forward. That's my appeal. I have no problem as far as the leader of the opposition suggestion is concerned. That if you want a statement to be made again, with the chair permits, he will make a statement. Otherwise, clarification straight away. But clarification also cannot be speeches. No? The leader of the opposition himself is aware. He has been minister for long.
okay, now, I heard, no, there'll be,
Not one person,
Now-
because they are, whosoever
Let
wants
me
to
take a
ask
decision
the,
now.
whosoever wants to ask the
Let me take-
clarification, let them
Okay.
ask the clarification.
I'll come back to that. I'll come, my God. Always. Okay, well, what is the rule?
श्रीमान कल कर्नाटक सुन ले,
Now, please.
मैं इसको माइंड नहीं कर रहा हूँ। कल कर्नाटक हाईकोर्ट का एक जजमेंट आया।
No, तो-
मैं इस बारे ला रहा हूँ
Why you
क्योंकि
take-
वो हम सबसे संबंधित है।
Let me,
जो भ्रष्टाचार की बात उठी,
Let me
इस
dispose
बारे
of-
में इसको डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, इस बारे में इसको उठा रहा हूँ क्योंकि माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के एक आदेश ये हो गया कि अगर किसी भी एमएलए एमपी को 3 साल की सजा हो जाएगी तो उसकी मेंबरशिप चली जाएगी। श्रीमान,
please.
पीपुल ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एक्ट, आप इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, आप आईपीसी, सीआरपीसी सब देख लीजिए, कहीं भी ये लॉ नहीं है कि किसी एक अदालत की सजा का पनिशमेंट उसको जिंदगी भर भुगतना पड़ेगा।
Yeah.
श्रीमान 4 सिस्टम दिया जुडिशरी का, लोअर कोर्ट, सेशन कोर्ट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट
Yes.
एंड देन सुप्रीम कोर्ट।
Yes.
श्रीमान अगर लोअर कोर्ट जैसा जयललिता जी के लिए हुआ कि उनको एक सेशन कोर्ट ने 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल की सजा दे दी, एमएलए शिप चली गई, उनको रिजाइन करना पड़ा। अब उनको दोबारा हाई कोर्ट ने बहाल कर दिया, वो आरोपों को खारिज कर दिया जो भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप थे, तो वो मेंबरशिप बहाल क्यों नहीं हुई? श्रीमान मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, नेता सदन बैठे बहुत काबिल वकील हैं, हम उतने काबिल वकील नहीं हैं, लेकिन मैं चाहूंगा कि ये बताएं कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की किस धारा में, पीपुल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एक्ट की किस धारा में माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का वो आदेश कानून बन गया। श्रीमान कानून बनाने का तो अधिकार हमको है, इस सदन को है, उस सदन को है, खाली सुप्रीम कोर्ट एक
I have allowed him, keep quiet. Yeah.
खाली माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का कोई जजमेंट कानून बन जाएगा, ये भी एक प्रश्न चिन्ह है। अगर वो कानून बन गया तो हम लोग के अधिकार कहां पर से रहे? मैं इस पे चाहता हूं कि इस पे रूलिंग होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसे तो भ्रष्टाचार की इतनी बड़ी परिभाषा हो गई कि हर एमएलए एमपी की मेंबरशिप खतरे में हो गई। अब भाई प्रमोद जी तो उसी का लाभ पा के आ गए,
Okay, I got your point.
सीट खाली हो गई।
No.
तो मैं चाहूंगा
Okay.
मैं चाहूंगा इस पे अपनी रूलिंग दे दे, और मैं चाहूंगा नेता सदन अगर इसको
Okay, this is-
वेरीफाई कर दे तो ज्यादा अच्छा हो।
Acha, now, let me dispose of this issue, then I will come to you. इसके बारे में जो बात I have to say, I will say. See, that's a point of, no, but, okay, since you are raised with
नहीं,
the format.
सबसे जुड़ी
Yeah.
अकेले हमको
समझेगा,
नहीं मैटर।
समझेगा, no.
ये सारे हाथ से जुड़ी
Let
दोनों
me come to that. What Naresh Agarwal ji has raised is a very important point. But as you said, I am also not a vakil in that way, not an expert in the constitution or on the law. Why are you? I am not giving a ruling. Let me say what I have to say. This is all. No, you cannot run the house because it is a point of order which I have disposed of now. What do you want? I am not allowing anybody. See, I am not allowing anybody. I allowed him. I heard it. So I want to react on that. Sit down. You sit down. Who are you to ask me a rule? Whom are you asking a rule? Whom are you asking a rule? You are asking me a rule. You sit down there. What are you doing?
Start question the chair. He raised a...
Under what rule? You sit down.
Anand ji,
Mr. Answer, why you sit down?
Sir, please.
I feel... No, allow me, please. I feel what he raised is relevant. I am telling you, I had also felt many a time, if a lower court has sentenced somebody and convicted, if the higher court has reversed that judgment, what is the remedy for him if his membership is wrong? This is a point of law he raised, but I am not able to give a judgment on that, decision on that, but this is a fact matter to be examined by the experts of the law, by the lawyers. I leave it to the House, or anybody can give a motion, then we can consider. Now let me come to the ruling on the relevant issue here that we are discussing. That is, see, now, Sri Leader of, I have to give the ruling because there is no point in raising again, because see, Honorable Leader of Opposition has raised a matter saying that he wants a discussion on the statement of Sri Nitin Gadkari, which he made yesterday. He also said, if necessary, the statement can be made again. In this regard, the government side also said they have no objection. But I would like to say one thing. Number one, already a statement is made. So listen. No, listen. With my permission, the full statement was made. It was read out. It is on record. If somebody has not heard, because they were making noise, but it is on record, and it was made yesterday, that statement cannot be made again. Number two, but because the statement is in order and allowed by me, this morning itself, in my ruling, while ruling out the 267 motion by Sri Pramod Tiwari. 267 motion by Pramod Tiwari. I ruled out that, but at the same time I said, however, if a clarification is to be sought, if clarification has to be sought on that statement, the chair is ready to allow that. So what we can have is, if the House agree, clarification on that. But only clarification within the terms, within the norms of clarification, which means members can stand up and clarification. One member can take 2-3 minutes. That is the practice of the House. So if necessary. Now, on that statement, no, let me complete. On that statement, on a statement made by a minister, which is a suo motu statement made by a minister, there can only be clarification. And then I can only confine myself within the term clarification, and there is rule for that. If you want a prolonged discussion, another discussion, you have to give a notice under relevant rules. Then that can be considered. That's all what I would say. So now what is left before me is allowing clarification if needed, if the House wants.
I have one submission to make. The rules are made by the House. Both the opposition and the government agree that this is a matter which needs to be discussed. A cabinet minister has made a statement. If there was din in the House and disorder in the House, it was because the members were outraged. It is not the first time that Rajya Sabha has witnessed disorder and noise. For years and years, we have heard this, and this House, this chamber is a silent witness, and the records prove that. What I want to say here, fine, the statement was made, it is on record as you have said, sir, Deputy Chairman, sir. Because members did not hear it, the members have a right. So let a copy of that statement, which is there with the Secretariat, be made available to the members so that they can ask questions.
How do we ask questions?
Yesterday not distributed.
So if it is not distributed, it was never circulated.
Case, sir, if that is the case,
You can postpone.
it is on the basis of some allegation made and name taken by some honorable members. The honorable minister has given a clarification himself. If the House feels that they want to hear it again, from our side, minister side, government side, we have no problem at all. Please allow it. Let him make a clarification. Yeah, it's a clarification because an allegation is made against him. You are all aware of it. And then we just on technicalities, we want to prolong time and do not want to take up the business of the people. That's a different matter. There is a limit for anything. Later on, the opposition made a suggestion. Government have accepted it. Please move forward, ask clarifications if any, or if you want to hear again, let him give the clarification from his side, and then you ask again clarifications. Either of the two can be done, sir, and we should move ahead because the House is not able to transact business. We are losing important time. Please.
Now, okay, now there are two.
Let me tell you that in spite of my best efforts, through earphone, even I could not hear one word. And so is the case with honorable members. It is in this backdrop that we requested that either the statement should be circulated or honorable minister should be allowed to repeat that statement, on which basis we asked the question.
That he was not heard properly, but he is ready. He is ready. Sir,
Sir,
chair,
if you are ready to
chair,
give me the
if-
permission, I am ready to read it again, sir. No problem.
See, how do you allow that? If okay, if the House is... No, that is correct. Okay. There is agreement from both sides, from every side, I think. But the problem with me is that, as far as chair is concerned, this is a statement already made. That is the position of the chair. That is the position of the chair. It's a state.